To guarantee an even more orderly and trouble-free days of the dead-long holiday weekend, the nation's top cop saw it fit to outlaw alcoholic drinks from retail stores for the entire weekend. This as he paid a visit to the provincial bus terminals to keep bus drivers and operators honest for their service to commuters. The full report from Ryan Lisigas.
To ensure a peaceful and orderly observance of All Saints and All Souls Day this year, the National Police will implement a liquor ban nationwide. According to Acting PNP Chief, Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr., the liquor ban takes effect starting 12:01 a.m. today. It will last until 6 o'clock in the morning of November 3. Last night, Nartates made a surprise visit to several bus terminals in Cubao. The purpose was to ensure that security arrangements are in place for passengers rushing back to their home provinces to observe the Days of the Dead holidays. He also emphasized the need to maintain order in terminals from vehicles to facilities to properly guide travelers on their journey.
Well, yung ginagawa na yan is part para mapanatili natin na maayos and of course, secure. Kasi siyempre, dapat may nakikita, hindi lang may nakikita, mayroon din nababasa at hindi tayo magkukulang ng panahon para magbigay ng paalala.
Nartates also checked the deployment of police personnel and their readiness to respond to any incidents. During the inspection, the acting PNP chief spoke with bus drivers, conductors, and terminal management to give instructions regarding passenger safety.
On the part of the police naman, in-ensure natin na ito ay ma-remind at masita natin. Like for example, yung mga bus driver, pinapaalahanan natin, lalo na sa management, to ensure na mayroon drug test, etc. Kondisyon yung tao. And at the same time, ini-ensure natin na safe yung kalsada, kaya nakakalat yung mga pulis natin.
He also directed police commanders to ensure security not only in transportation hubs but also in tourist spots, malls, and other places where huge crowds are expected this long weekend.
Wala naman tayong banta or nakitang banta for the security, but the security forces are continuously monitoring kung ano ba ito. Mayroon nandyan yung criminal gang, magnanakaw, mandurukot, at yung mga terorista. Wala naman tayong nakikitang ganyan. In fact, nagpakalat na tayo ng maraming police at operation before pa na nitong araw na ito.
Although the PNP has not monitored any serious threats thus far, they continue their coordinated efforts to prevent other crimes. The NCRPO has also raised its alert status to full alert for the holiday observance. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.